This video introduces how to configure VLANs quickly in CCTV scenarios. Are you still frustrated by complex VLANs configurations in CCTV scenarios? You can configure VLANs in just a few steps on Ruijie Cloud or Ruijie Reyee App. VLANs partitioning has been performed. The planned VLANs displayed in the video serve as examples for configuring wired and wireless VLANs on Ruijie Cloud and Ruijie Reyee App, respectively. On the home page of a project, choose Network-wide, Network to go to the configuration page. Configure the wired CCTV VLAN. Click Add and select Add Wired VLANs from the drop-down list. Set VLAN parameters according to service planning. Set service remarks and VLAN ID for the CCTV VLAN. When you enter a VLAN ID, the default gateway and IP segment fields are updated automatically. If IP addresses in the address pool are insufficient, you can adjust the subnet mask. Toggle on DHCP pool and select the device to allocate IP addresses. Click Next. Select the switches connected to IPCs or NVRs on the left topology, and then select the specific ports connected to the IPCs or NVRs on the right diagram. You can click Port icon to view the description of each port color. Click Next. After confirming that the configuration is correct, click Apply. After completing the configuration, click Continue to add to configure the wired office VLAN. Set VLAN parameters. Select the switches and ports connected to the PCs. Complete the VLAN configuration. Configure the wireless office VLAN. Click Add and select Add Wireless VLAN from the drop-down list. Set the Wi-Fi name and password. Click Next. Set VLAN parameters. All devices will be added to the VLAN by default. Click Apply to deliver the configuration. The wireless VLAN is created. On the home page of a project, expand Workspace. On the Advanced tab, tap VLAN under Global. Configure the wired CCTV VLAN. Tap Add, select Wired, and tap OK. Enter the VLAN name. Toggle on Captive Portal Off as required. You are advised to retain the default configuration. Enter the VLAN ID. The IP range field will be updated automatically. Tap Add Port. Select the switches and ports connected to IPCs or NVRs, and tap OK. After confirming that the configuration is correct, tap Save. Tap OK and return to the network planning page. Configure the wired office VLAN. Set the VLAN name and ID. Select the switches and ports connected to PCs to complete the VLAN configuration. Configure the wireless office VLAN. Tap Add, select Wireless, and tap OK. Enter the Wi-Fi name. You are advised to toggle on encryption and set a password. Toggle on captive portal auth as required. You are advised to retain the default configuration. Toggle on bandwidth limit per user as required. If it is toggled on, you need to configure the maximum uplink and downlink rates for wireless users. Enter the VLAN ID. The IP range field will be updated automatically. After confirming that the configuration is correct, tap Save. Tap OK and return to the network planning page to check whether the configuration is successfully delivered. Thank you for watching. Scan the QR code on the left to provide feedback or share your suggestions about the video. Scan the QR code on the right to access product documentation on the Ruijie Reyee official website. Your support is the driving force for our progress. See you in the next video.